In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an external style sheet in Dreamweaver. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable CSS file connected to your HTML, which makes updating your site's design faster and more consistent. Start by launching Dreamweaver on your device. Once it's open, go to the File menu and choose New. This opens the New Document dialog. On the left, select Blank Page, and in the middle column choose CSS. This tells Dreamweaver we're creating a standalone style sheet rather than an HTML page. Click Create to generate the new file. Before doing anything else, save the file to your website's directory so your paths remain correct. The common convention is to place style sheets in a folder named CS inside your site's root. Give the file a clear name, like styles CSS, and make sure it ends with the .css extension. Using lowercase letters and hyphens and avoiding spaces helps keep links reliable across different systems. Next, open the HTML page that you want to link to this style sheet. We'll connect the two using Dreamweaver's CSS Designer, which centralizes your styles. If you don't see the CSS Designer panel, go to the Window menu and choose CSS Designer to make it visible. In the CSS Designer, look for the Sources pane. Click the plus icon to add a source. Choose Attach Existing CSS File. A dialog box will appear. Click Browse, then navigate to the CSS folder you created earlier and select your styles. CSS File. Take a moment to confirm that the link option is selected instead of import. Linking places a normal tag in your HTML, which is the recommended approach for performance and maintainability. Import uses an @import rule inside CSS, which can delay loading and is generally not preferred. Once you've confirmed the link option, click OK. Dreamweaver will attach the style sheet to your HTML page, and you should see the file listed under Sources in the CSS Designer. Behind the scenes, Dreamweaver adds a link element to the head of your HTML that points to your CSS file using a relative path. If you ever move the CSS file, make sure the folder structure stays within your site's root so that link remains valid. From here, any style rules you add to styles.css will apply to the linked HTML page. This setup keeps presentations separate from content, makes global updates effortless, and helps maintain a consistent look across multiple pages. Save your files, preview in a browser, and you're ready to build out your styles with confidence.